Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link UnitedHealthcare UCard to HealthyBenefitsPlus, setup guide step by step clearly. To link your UnitedHealthcare UCard to HealthyBenefitsPlus, start by ensuring you have both your UCard and your smartphone or computer ready. Open your web browser and navigate to the HealthyBenefitsPlus website. If you have the HealthyBenefitsPlus app, open it on your device. Locate the login option on the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a username and password. Once logged in, find the option that says Link UCard or Connect your UCard. You may need to click on a Settings or Account Management tab to find this option. Prepare your UCard number, which can be found on the front of the card. Enter your UCard number into the provided field. Double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. After entering your UCard number, click on the Link or Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message once your UCard is successfully linked. If you encounter any issues, look for a help or support option on the website. Follow the prompts provided to troubleshoot any problems you may experience. Once linked, explore the benefits available to you through HealthyBenefitsPlus. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the process for security purposes. You have now successfully linked your UnitedHealthcare UCard to HealthyBenefitsPlus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.